How to automate social media posts with AI for free. Creating social media content consistently is hard, but tools like ChatGPT and Buffer make it surprisingly simple. ChatGPT helps you generate content in minutes, and Buffer handles scheduling without any technical setup. Together, they let you automate social media posting completely for free. So over here we have Buffer, and then here we have ChatGPT. Before we start using any of these AI tools, what we need to do is we need to have clarity. You need to be clear on what your topic is going to be, what niche you want to go for, and what kind of post you want to make. You don't need multiple ideas. You just need one clear topic which works best. So what my idea is that I want to post about daily productivity tips. So that is what my posting style is going to be, and that is what the whole theme is going to revolve around. So in order to start that, open up ChatGPT, and here I'm going to paste in my prompt, which I have already prepared. It says, create 7 simple social media posts about productivity for beginners. Keep them short, practical, and easy to understand. No emojis, under 280 characters. So I'm going to create 7 social media posts first, and this is, as you can tell, it's for a week. So you should start with at least 1 week worth of content, and then I'll have one post for every day of the week, and I'll have these posts I can post every day for the whole week. The theme is going to be about productivity for beginners, and then I've prompted it to keep it short and practical, easy to understand, and then I've also given it characters. You can add in any other details if you want. I'm just going to keep this and then let it generate that, and this is what has been generated. So I have 7 beginner-friendly productivity posts. They have been labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 here. So these are pretty short, but they are meaningful. I have gone through them. So if you are not happy with what has been generated, you can go ahead and regenerate. So type in another prompt and give it some instructions on how to fix that. You can also edit any wording or simplify the tone as well. So now what over here has been generated can be used as captions, or it can be used as a text in the center or on the post. You could have any design, any image, and then this is the text which could be placed over there. So in order to make that post, you need to go to another place where you can actually design that, and I would recommend to go towards Canva. So here we are on Canva. Now we're going to search for a template. So here I've typed in productivity tips, and hopefully I'll get some kind of a template in which I can put in the productivity tips in the center, and I'll have some kind of background. So let's go ahead and see what we get. And here we go. We have some templates to choose from. So these are some templates in which different kinds of tips have been shared. You have this here. It says simple tips to boost daily productivity, and then a lot more. So this is exactly the kind of post that I was thinking about, and now I have found a perfectly fitting templates for that. So just select one and then move forward. You should definitely try getting a template which you can keep reusing for all of your posts to really cut down on time. It would be very convenient if you could get a set. For example, if you get one of these, this is 2 of 5. So if you click here, so you have the same theme being followed, and then you have a title page here, and then you have 1, which is tip 1, and then 2, 3, 4. So these are exactly the same, and you could actually, if there was just one, you could have changed that as well. But if you go here and you see you have some more. So for example, if you have this one, there is a different style in this one, and this one is different. The third one is different, and the fourth one is different. So you have different styles in this one, and then you can create them all and then use different styles. They are of the same theme, but then there's a little bit of difference. So I'm just going to select this one, and then I'm going to click on customize this template. So because we're not going to be having a list and we're only going to be having 1 tip per post, so I'm going to skip this one, and then I'm going to edit these ones and put a tip in all of them, but I'm not going to put in all of the content, just give it some kind of heading and then leave the rest of the text for the caption. And so here I have edited this one and the post is ready. I put in only a little bit of the text. It says stop, and then stop trying to be productive all day. And then the rest of the text, I'm going to put it in the caption. Up top over here, I have the Instagram handle for where I'm going to post it. So just like that, go ahead and edit the rest of these two, and then your posts will be ready. So after that, go to Buffer and enter in your email. Click on Get Started for free. And here we have entered our workspace in Buffer. I already have my Instagram channel connected here, but what you are going to do is you will be prompted to connect your channel and you're just gonna enter in the details, which is a very simple process. But if you need to enter that in, if you need to connect your channel, you can go up here, click on New, and then go down and click on Connect a New Channel. When you click that, this comes up and you can connect whatever channel that you want to. You can connect your Facebook, your TikTok, Instagram, any of that, YouTube, Pinterest. So you can connect all of these. Go to, for example, let's go to Instagram and then click on Connect to Instagram and then click Allow. Then you are just going to allow permissions and confirm, and then your channel will be connected. If we go back to Buffer, you will be able to see here that your channel is connected. So after that, go to the top over here, click New, and then click on Post. And here you are going to put in all the things that you have prepared. This is going to be your final post, and we are posting this for Instagram for now. So this is, you need to decide what is going to be a post, a reel, or story. So this is going to be a post. And then here you want to put in your caption and then drag and drop your file. So we're going to go back to Canva and download our files. So go up here, click on Share, and then click Download. And then these 7 pages will be downloaded. So click Download. So from ChatGPT, I'm going to copy this text, go to Buffer, paste that in. Then I'm going to open up the folder and drag the image from there, place that in. So all our prepared items are in place. We have our caption, we have our image, and then you can add in any more images that you want. You can add in more media as well. You can select an emoji, add hashtags, add stickers, and add music if you want. And then up to the right over here, you have a preview. So you can preview what your post is going to look like. So this is the image, that is the text in it. If you go down, you can see the caption. So this is how some of the caption is going to show. And then when you click more, this is how all of it is going to look. So let's see if I can adjust this. There we go. So pressed enter and moved it down here so that it looks all neat. Now I think it should be a bit more lively. So I'm going to add in exclamation marks. So there we go. We put in all the information. Our post is ready. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on schedule post. And so here you can view that your post has been queued and it will be posted on Monday, 12th January at so and so time. So this time, these are the time slots which have been recommended by Buffer, and these are expected to be the best posting times and dates, and it is recommended that we post at this time. Now if you want to decide for yourself, then you can decide a custom time as well. You can either click publish now or you can edit this. You can go up here to more and you can click on manage posting times, and then you can decide the posting schedule. So you can decide the time zone and then the posting times and adjust that to your preference. Once you've adjusted that, you're going to get the decided posting times, and then over here you're just going to add in the next post. So we put in one post. Now we're going to put in the second post. Now this is in the queued section. Then in next you have drafts. So you can also post in drafts. These are the queued ones. So add another one, new, and then in the same way, you're going to add in the caption, the image, preview it, and then click on schedule post. And then it will be scheduled and it will be placed over here for 13th January. So you have 12, 13, and then we created 7. So we're going to go all the way down and put in 7 posts. So just to show you, because our Instagram account is connected, let's just click on publish now and publish this post right now, and then we'll go to our Instagram and see. And then the post is no more queued. It has vanished from here. And if you go and look at sent, then you can see it has been posted right now. So we're going to go to our social media and then see. And here is my Instagram. We can see here that this has been posted. Let's open it up and see. This is what the post looks like. This is the caption. So that is it. We have successfully posted on Instagram using Buffer. And so here with ChatGPT, creating your content and Buffer scheduling it automatically, social media stops feeling overwhelming. This simple step is more than enough to stay consistent without spending money or time every day. So we have created our post and posted it, and we have done this for 7 days using ChatGPT, Canva, and Buffer.